This is Gilera's first proper go being on the road. We'll see how Dave does. Hopefully he'll be back soon. Here's Dave coming back. There we go. How was that?
Missing and popping and it's not running right.
Okay.
But
Work in progress.
yeah, it's only carburation. It is.
Good. It's a start.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nothing really drastic. It's just not running. It does run clean. I think it needs a really good run. I need to check the spark plug out and make sure. I don't know whether it's an old plug or what. I've no idea.
Right. Okay.
Other than that, I mean, it might need the points checking and timing and bits and bobs like that, but nothing much.
Right, so points and plugs and things like that, and it should be okay. Yeah.
Yes, I think so.
Right, so now for the Benelli.
This definitely won't start.
Okay. Dave doesn't think this is going to start. I reckon it will. We'll see. Oh dear.
The clutch is slipping again. The clutch is stuck.
Oh. No, we've got a clutch problem at the moment. We're just talking to the camera. Try again. Smoking a bit. We'll see how that goes now. Give him a few minutes. Hopefully he'll be back. Here's Dave just coming back. Yeah, good.
Hey.
Positive?
Yeah, it feels okay. There's bits and bobs that need doing.
Right. So a few bits need doing, but it's a good start, yeah?
Yeah. The engine runs lovely.
Good.
Tick over's too high. that you know, that's kind of normal.
Right.
You know, because it's not been run properly. It definitely needs more running.
Yeah.
You know, to clear it all out, because it's only just been started on, you know, in the workshop.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It sounded better when you came back than it did when you went.
Yeah, well, but it's because it's cold and
Yeah.
you know, and it's full of, you know, not cleaned out. But yeah, that's a good start.
Good.
Was it smoking much?
It was smoking when you went. I didn't notice it so much when you came back.
Yeah.
There we are. Benelli back to bed again.